Using the Autoflame EGA, we can use this just as a standalone device. So it's not going to be used with the Mark 8 burner combustion system. It's just going to be used to measure the sample gas from a stack. So this could be used on a turbine or any combustion process. When it's used in that way, the fuel input will be taken directly through a plug in the bottom of the unit to select the fuel input. Going to config, we can go to fuel setup, and here we can put in the type of gas we're using, the cost of the gas, the units, the flow source, and the flow metric units, whether it's metric or imperial. And this can be set up for 4 different fuels: fuel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Typically, fuel 1 would be natural gas. So here, knowing the fuel I'm using, this unit can be used as a full SEMS EPA approved analyzer.